So being at Conversations, you're able to like literally be the first person to get access to things and get the information and the ability to talk to the team directly about it, and you cannot get that anywhere else.
If you want to be in a room where other people are smart and other people are trying new things, other people are on the cutting edge of marketing, that's where I want to be.
Surrounded by like-minded people, being able to mingle with some of the top marketing minds, getting close to them, you can get to talk to these people that are actually changing the game of marketing out there and learn from them.
This is the place to be because we all geek out on bots, and it's like non-stop, and the connections that you make will last for a very, very long time.
Do not miss Conversations 2020. Don't miss it.